Hey friends! You have difficulty in your speaking skills, right? So watch it to the very end and don't go anywhere because I've got a surprise for you. If you want to think in English, you should immerse yourself in English. Today I'm here to put an idea in your head to practice English every single day. Record yourself every day, say what you did, how you felt, and what will you do the next day. Make recording your voice part of your daily routine. It will not be too boring or difficult since every day isn't the same. And there's always something different in your everyday routine at the very least. By recording your voice, you can listen to your voice again and notice any common mistakes you make and correct them. Record yourself 2 or 3 times and keep it short and simple to begin with. If you need to, write down what you want to say first and then say it. In case every day is the same and it's getting boring, think of how you can say it differently. What different words or grammar you could use instead.
It's 11 p.m. now. I am very tired because I had a very busy day. We went shopping and I bought a beautiful pair of shoes. I love them a lot. I can't wait to wear it. Shima called me. She was sad. I don't know why. Maybe I may call her tomorrow.
What you've heard was my voice, which was recorded 8 years ago. Unbelievable, yeah? Have you tried it before? If yes, share your experiences in the comments. If not, are you gonna give it a try?